Dropping down to 34 degrees.
What's up, guys? Here in Menominee, Michigan, on the Menominee River. Got Marinette over there. First dive of the year in the Menominee River, 2026. Can't wait to get in there, see some fish, find some lures, clean some line, trash. Let's get in there, see what we find.
Oh yeah, feel that cold water coming in. That's cold. If there's people fishing here, I'm gonna stay away from them. I'm gonna go downstream and check it out, see how long I can last. Strong current out there, so I'm gonna stay out right on the edge. Yeah, there's usually a lot of lures out there. I didn't see none. That means it's not very busy here yet. First two lures right there, baby. Yeah. Dropping down to 34 degrees. For the homies. She's still pretty cold. Barely 32 degrees. Well, got a couple of lures in there. Some trash. Good first dive.
Time to get out. Pretty chilly. Great to be back from Menominee River.
Check out what I got.
Found a couple lures today, not as many as I wanted to, but it's still pretty early. 26 lures right here. Gave 3 away altogether. This is all I found today. These will sell really fast. Just got to clean them up, put some new hooks on them. Found this really cool chunk of metal here. Have no idea what kind of metal that is, but maybe aluminum. Some trash there, someone's vape, old reel here, it says spinning reel, cans, a bottle, and 5 golf balls. Kind of getting sick of the golf balls. Still pretty cold underwater. My gauge said it was about 33 degrees when I was underwater, and it was chilly. I had to get out. My fingers were frozen. My face was frozen, but it was a good first dive here in Menominee, Michigan, Menominee River. Didn't actually see any fish, but I did see one swirl. Usually there's a lot of people here fishing by now, and it's kind of far in between with the anglers, but the fish really aren't here that much. But in a week or two, it's gonna be jam-packed. Giant jointed thunder stick, never seen one of those.
Collection. He got way more than you.
Wow, that's quite a bit of lures. Kick and stick 20 right there. Wow, that's quite the selection you got there, man.
Hey, I gotta keep them from you.
What kind of lure did you catch that walleye with?
Jig.
A jig? Wow, that's a smart way to fish. How old are you?
6.
6?
Yeah.
Wow, good job fishing there, man. Soon, I'll be pulling about a couple hundred lures out at a time.